these people pitney. We can post him. We can post him in can't sue we. Just like him can come call up my baby name. And in this up one of the people can't come back to Jamaica. Cranny. And I saw them did want to come advertise it on TikTok. But now I make it stay up the long, but I have many more coming. And in desperate blood clot is a desperate boy. Desmond is a desperate boy. K-Ona K. Unforgettable K25. On the traumatized down. So you know see the reason why them hate me, because them think me want to come back to cocky out of them throat back. If you're not following my Instagram page tonight, it'll be a good night. But now I come load up my mouth and cuss nobody man. Like all him. So, oh, she release something, we're going to sue her. Can't sue. You're not from Jamaica, you run away. Stay from which part you're there and sue me. That's why you run your mouth so much, because you know say if you did that Jamaica, you're dead long time. Me and you know say if you did that Jamaica, you're dead 6'6" long time. I mean I tell you something. You know say projecting is true. You know say projecting is true. You know say Destiny have one cousin or him sister who have a whole baby with cripple. Yeah, crippler in a wheelchair. The little girl is 13 years old. That's why I love call. Not cripple, handicap. That's why I love come and call people pitney handicap so much. Because him have a real handicap in him family. And you see when them go through them something there, that's what I'm telling about generation curse. Destiny alone can curse him whole generation, you know. And people in a generation are suffer because of him, you know. This big body blood clot donkey looking boy, you know. I'm not telling like Destiny though. You look like say you're delighted for so good. Them are one of them somebody they way I go catch all the big air and body and him mouth and everywhere upon him a rotten out and he one dead and can't dead. At them something they reach there. You know why Destiny? It's coming. At the same unforgettable K, same word spell with 25 at the end. Now I carry it over TikTok. I'm not even want to put it up on my page. But me decide say like how you love call Kingston name, make a word watch you so good. Batman. So good Batman Destiny.